Hi learners, welcome to our another new session. Hope you all are doing very well and practicing your lessons regularly. So, today we are going to learn the name of 10C. Now, here we go. Number 1. Mediterranean Sea. M E D I T E R R A N E A N Mediterranean SEAC Mediterranean Sea. Number 2. Caribbean Sea. CARIBEAN Caribbean SEAC Caribbean Sea. Number 3. South China Sea. SOUTH South CHINA China SEAC South China Sea. Number 4. Bering Sea. BERING Bering SEAC Bering Sea. Number 5. Sea of Okhotsk. SEACOF of OKHOTSK Okhotsk Sea of Okhotsk. Number 6. Black Sea. BLACK Black SEAC Black Sea. Number 7. North Sea. NORTH North SEAC North Sea. Number 8. Baltic Sea. BALTIC Baltic SEAC Baltic Sea. Number 9. Arabian Sea. ARABIAN Arabian SEAC Arabian Sea. Number 10. Red Sea. RED Red SEAC Red Sea. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned to learn more. If you are finding my videos helpful, share them with others.